One thing that breaks the repetition of illustrating characters is when you get to add in small props. Just some tiny little nothing items to stage the background. There's no need to focus on fitting in too much detail, just throwing a bowl here or some random character there. That's the design aspect of how my panels lay out. I'll consider what world or location in a specific world the storyline is at, and amuse myself doodling a happy little something. The benefit of using models for architecture is the time it saves. In my mind's eye, I might see a specific panel from one angle, but need that same room later from a different angle, so modeling programs are a big boon to me. Just a basic shell of the Shadow Lord's castle was enough for me to pivot the backdrop where I wanted it, like positioning a camera for a shot in a movie. I have models for the castle in Scourge, the Palace of Apafara, a couple different locations, and 2 different Singucom buildings as well. Building these 3D models keeps me in practice with the software packages used, and it saves me time setting up my background, so I'm sure I'll continue this procedure on future comic projects. One other technique I tried to use in Dichotomy was keeping a specific color scheme to relate to a specific world or location in the story. I used vibrant, warm colors for the other, cooler, less saturated hues for Earth, stark black and white holes for the 8th dimension, or the pulse reside, and purples for the 10th dimension. I like using a light neon looking blue for the connection with Ibid or his technology. It reminds me of that blue from the movie Tron, that simulation of tech power. Making Ibid that type blue to emphasize his connection to electricity seemed appropriate.